Hi everyone, my name is Olano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nobody asked, but welcome back to the vlog. So I'm gonna cut right to the chase. I have a special announcement to make, okay? And it is that I am collaborating with European Bath LV over at the Design Center here in Las Vegas. So we are going to be collaborating on a renovation project in January, which happens to be my birthday month. Now, I want to share some of my inspirations, my mood boards with you later in the video, so make sure you stick around. We're going to be renovating and giving my master bath and my kitchen a little bit of a refresh. Now, my brother and his boyfriend actually just got here to my house. If you've been following me on Instagram, you would know that he is kind of going viral on TikTok and the internet. He's creating these really delicious vegan recipes. And today we're gonna cook some breakfast. Okay, we're gonna do a little cook with me. Well, not with me. You're gonna be cooking with my brother, because girl, I can't cook. Let's go. We're gonna set up in my kitchen. Okay, you guys, we are here in my kitchen. We are gonna be cooking something together, okay? And by we, he is gonna be cooking. AJ, do you wanna say hi? Let me introduce you to Level 1 Vegan. Hey, besties! So this is my brother, AJ. Okay, so should we tell them about your TikTok?
Yes.
So AJ has his own TikTok account called
Level 1 Vegan.
and it kind of went viral these last few months, like last 2 months. It kind of went crazy. Did you tell me or did I just like see it?
I told you about it when it happened.
Yeah.
I started posting at the beginning of November, and my first video did not do great, but it got like 500 views, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be a star. I'm ready. And then the second video got like 100,000 views, and I was like, okay, maybe I really can be a star. And then I think a couple of weeks in, I did a video about kind of reconciling my cultural identity, and we're Filipino, so reconciling what it means to be Filipino and vegan.
Mabuhay.
And the intersectionality of that. She knows words.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then after that, I did a video about lumpia, and I told a little story about my mom and her lumpia shenanigans. Filipinos love a good potluck, and no potluck is complete without lumpia, so there's always a ton of pressure for whoever brings this dish. When I was young, my mom's lumpia was a crowd favorite. Every potluck, people would beg for her recipe, and she'd always say the same thing. Well, if I give you my secret recipe, then what will I bring to the potlucks? And that made sense, until she stopped bringing lumpia to the potlucks. She started bringing more traditional American sides, and when friends and family asked why, she'd nonchalantly say something about trying to be more healthy. I was fed up after another year of potlucks without lumpia, so I brought it up to my mom and asked, if you don't want to bring your lumpia anymore, can you at least share your recipe so someone else can? I miss it. That's when she confessed to me that she'd been buying the lumpia frozen from another lady, and she stopped selling it. Needless to say, it's been a while since I've had good lumpia, and I needed this. And that video went viral. Like, actually viral, and she got 1 million views in less than 24 hours.
Okay, love that. I think that's the video that I've been posting on Instagram. So if you've been following along, you would know who Level 1 Vegan is right here. Okay, here she is. Yeah, that's crazy. Congratulations. That's
Thank you.
Super exciting. Some of you guys have been tagging me on those videos, and I'm proud. That's exciting.
Thank you.
So let's go ahead and get cooking.
Let's do it.
What are we cooking today?
We are making ube mochi pancakes.
Did you say mochi?
Mochi girl.
Pancakes! We're gonna cook and we're gonna have some fun, so I think we have to set up.
Let's do it.
I just got a package.
Mail time.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, she's big. Strong.
Okay, I love when I'm vlogging and I get packages in the mail because that means we get to do an unboxing together. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside for now and we'll unbox that together later. Oh, that's so satisfying. Wow. Small ones. I'm gonna go for these pink ones.
Yeah, those will be cute.
Pink with the purple.
Mm-hmm. Also, I got Just Dance 2021 for New
Just
Year's.
Dance, gonna be okay. I'm not making me. Just Dance, gonna be okay. Da da da, dance, 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 just dance. Yes! Okay, so for our stoneware, I actually have these really pretty, kind of peachy toned pieces that I got from CB2 a long time ago, and I feel like that would look good with some purple. Look how good that looks like against my jacket. Yes!
Or against my shirt.
That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick taste test. I'm really excited. Oh, it's so like fluffy. Mmm. I love mochi, so this is so good. Okay, comment down below if you would try this vegan ube pancakes. Okay, everybody, that was so much fun cooking with my brother. He's actually here on the ground. We're in my studio now. I'm out of breath. I want to unbox this package with you that I got in the mail, and it's actually from my friends over at Salt Air Vintage. I'm really excited to get into this. Oh my goodness. They have the Salt Air Vintage tape down the side. Okay, there's a note. You guys, I love when I get notes in my packages. Nick, if you're watching, thank you so, so much. We're just gonna keep that to the side. That unboxing took a little while, but the stool is here safe and sound. So it is made of kind of a reclaimed elm wood. And when you get like a vintage piece like this, you guys, it adds the most beautiful patina, especially to a new build home where everything is clean and crisp and perfect. I don't know how I'm gonna style this yet. I'm sure I'll find a spot, but I like it. Marble, you're such a good boy. Oh, I feel like he'll fall asleep on anybody. Look at that belly, it's so big. Marble, it's not yours. Oh, so I actually want to show you these swatches that I received from a very special brand that I'm going to be working with in the next few months. I was having a hard time trying to choose my favorite color, okay? So I want you guys to tell me which one you think that I went for. This is gonna be like your true test to see if you really know my interior design style, okay? First off, this color palette is the color palette for life. This is exactly what I want in my home forever. So this one is champagne beige, slate. This is graphite. This is mink. We have ginger cider, rose mauve. This one is platinum silver, and then we have ecru beige. Okay, so sound off in the comments and let me know which color I selected. So I'm getting ready to leave the house. I have to run some errands, return things to H&M and Anthropologie. Just some like little errands that not so important, but I'm just kind of like taking a breather because 2021, you guys, is gonna be insane for the channel. I have so many projects that I'm working on, and don't forget, I'm showing you a sneak peek of my mood board for the renovation projects that I'm gonna be working on with European Bath LV. I can't wait to show you that. Let's go run some errands because if I don't do it today, I'm never gonna do it. Andrew and I are going on a trip next week, so I have to have everything done and finished. Okay, I just changed, about to run my errands. Level 1 vegan, Olano is about to leave. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for cooking.
Love you. Make sure you guys check out all the social channels, okay? Linking it down below. Go follow. Hi Mom, what are you doing?
Well, I'm at Green Valley.
Green Valley?
Yeah.
Why?
Here at... Oh, I needed to buy something from... I needed to exchange something.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye now. Drive safe. I love you.
Bye, love you too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, so here is the plan for the rest of the day. I'm getting my Starbies. I've been really into matcha lattes lately, so I'm getting one of those. I need to go to the mall, even though I really don't want to, but I have to return some stuff that just didn't work out. And I'm embracing the comfy sweatpant life, you guys. That's what I need at home, is cute, comfy loungewear. So actually I'm wearing this hoodie. It's so nice. It's kind of like a minty, almost avocado green color. Now, the only issue is it's from Nordstrom Rack, and I couldn't, for the life of me, find the links. They're not available online, which is so annoying because I want you guys to have this hoodie. I have it in beige and this avocado color. I'm literally wanting to buy. Ooh, that's tiny, girl. I just left the mall, and it was an absolute shit show. I don't know why I do this to myself, you guys. Ooh, there's a big truck right next to me. Ooh, do you see that? Oh, that's scary. Okay, everybody, I just got home. Here you go, Gingy. Little treat. Come on. It's for you. Come on. Come on. Okay, anyway, I just got home. I'm gonna show you what I got from Zara. Okay, oh my gosh, this first item is so bomb. It's actually from the men's section, and I got it in a size extra large. It was actually the only one left. It's on sale for like $39, but this color is just, if I was a color, this would be it. It's kind of like a rust brown, really warm, neutral color. What's so good about this hoodie is like this jumbo kind of tie detail, and that grommet there, that looks really expensive to me. I know it's just a hoodie, but this is like, I just live in hoodies now, now that I'm at home. And what I love to do is like layer my chunky necklaces underneath just for that added kind of detail. Like, how chic does that look? Chic. And because it's so neutral, literally matches anything that I wear. Okay, comment down below if you like this color also, because, ooh. So this next item is another hoodie, but this time I got it from the women's section. It's a bit more of a cropped style, but the color is kind of a mink neutral taupe. And this one's cool because it actually has like a little bit of a shoulder pad detail. It's a trend that's been happening in fashion for like a whole year now. And the sleeves are more of like a balloon sleeve. Again, great for just lounging around. I love it with a super high waist jogger like this. It's from H&M. This was like $17. I'll try to link these down below if the joggers are still available. The Zara ones I'll try to link as well if they're available. But do you see how it kind of just like cinches in at like the highest, at like the smallest point of your, of my waist? Do we see that shape? How it cinches in? I'm dead, you guys. I'm dead. Okay, so let me show you the boxers that I got you, babe. This one is like a camo set, but it's like camo, gray camo, and like a beige camo.
So you mean with the beige camo I can hide
No one will see.
with all your plain
No
colors?
one will see your under half.
With all your plain boring colors?
And then this one is my favorite. It's all black, but do you see the script logo?
Yes, it's in cursive.
The cursive logo. So good. Oh my gosh. They didn't have those in my size or the style that I want, otherwise I would have gotten one.
Yeah. All right.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, you can go back to your shower now. Okay, so I actually wanted to give you like a little bit of a sneak peek for the master renovation. Now, I'm gonna show you a photo up here of what the master bathroom looks like, okay? So when Andrew and I moved in, we actually didn't do anything to the bathroom. I mean, it was renovated, but it's really just basic. It's very basic. The closet isn't the greatest, and the bathtub area is just like, we don't use that space. And the vanity is just like, it's just drab, and there's this one big long mirror. And so the shower too is like not the best. It's just like, it's again, basic. Nothing wrong with it, it's just not the vibe. So what I want to do in the master bath is just really give it like a refresh, you know what I mean? And whether we change the hardware or maybe we'll change out the mirrors and get like 2 individual ones. I'm gonna show some of my inspo photos up on the screen, and I feel like this look is like my dream bathroom kind of moment. And I know it's like really expensive. You guys know I'm very much inspired by high-end homes. I really have to think about how I'm going to tackle this project to achieve that look. I'm seeing a lot of that gold gilded mirror in the bathrooms mixed with modern sconces and just mixing like old with new, precious with like antique. That's kind of the vibe that I'm going for in the bathroom. I want to show you like all the behind the scenes, how thoughtful changes can make a big impact. I'm so incredibly grateful that I'm collaborating with European Bath LV here at the Design Center, and I'll be able to take my camera there, film the entire process, you guys. I'm gonna take you to selecting the materials. We're gonna go to the stone yard together. Are you kidding? That's gonna be so much fun. And you have to let me know down in the comments if you want me to talk about pricing, what it's really gonna take, like how much is the renovation gonna cost? Like you have to let me know if you're interested in that, because I feel like when I watch like reno videos, it's just like they give you the before and after and like that's it. And you're like, okay, that's a very beautiful space, but how much did that cost, queen? And can I do that in my own space, okay? So let me know down in the comments, and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of the kitchen mood board later on in another vlog, so you're just gonna have to stay tuned. So the renovation videos are gonna start in January 2021, which just happens to be my birthday month, so I feel like this project couldn't come at a perfect time, and what a great way to just like kick off the year, right? So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, sound off in the comments down below if you enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.